Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best electric weed whacker in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The creation of an excellent home environment can be undertaken in several ways, one of which makes use of the McCono plant hanger. If you're looking to add a touch of natural greenery to your home, this is one of the best hanging planters for you. It is made in the absence of artificial chemicals and ingredients, with its primary material being 100% organic cotton cord. It features a generally vintage design which is meticulously handcrafted to be sturdy for an extended period. The McCono hangers are well suited for the display of all your beautiful plants and pots, improving the general beauty and elegance of your patio, balcony, and any preferred portion of your home. The premium quality of this planter hanger is incredible and highly appreciated on the market by customers from all across the globe. Besides its beauty, the woven outlook of this hanger is done in a manner that allows it to accommodate planters of all shapes and sizes. It doesn't matter where you want this hanger to be, whether hanging from your wall or ceiling, it will look gorgeous. It also features a high versatility in a style, which makes all these positions possible. The McCono hanger is an excellent housewarming gift and even makes for a great birthday gift. The DCST 920P1 brushless trimmer by DeWalt features a variable speed motor that lets you ratchet things back to save battery. The dual string cutting diameter of 13 inches is one of the largest you'll find on a battery-powered weed whacker, and the bump feed is reliable and easy to use. When fully engaged, the motor lets you make short work of stubborn weeds, although don't look for it to pop up and handle your edges for you. The motor is remarkably quiet, especially on low power, which is something your neighbors are sure to appreciate, and the lithium-ion battery takes only a few hours to fully recharge. Overall, it's well made and dependable, even if it comes up a little short in versatility. Make sure you also check our guide to the best weeding tools. The B+ DLSTE 523 string trimmer switches effortlessly from a first-class trimmer to a first-class edger with a flip of the head. But that's not the biggest reason to like this particular tool. That biggest reason is the push-button string feeder. For decades now, we've had 3 choices when it came to string feed options. Either bump the head, endure inconsistent auto feed mechanisms, or stop and change the string entirely. Now there's a 4th option, and we're buying. Being able to let out a bit of string when you need it with just a tap of a button seems like the future to us. But we'll see about that. For now, it's enough to take this reliable, well-built trimmer and give it a prominent position on our best electric weed whacker list. This makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life. The Works WG163 GT is a lightweight, reliable, robust trimmer edger that dares to provide you with 2 lithium-ion batteries, so you can always have an extra on hand in case you need it. The shaft is fully adjustable for height, the head for angle, and the handles to ensure you always have a safe, comfortable grip. It transforms from a trimmer to edger in seconds with a set of rollers that should be the envy of most of its contemporaries. The 12-inch diameter cutting area lets you move along without delay, and it also features push-button string feeding of the B+ DLSTE 523. You may also like to check our guide to the best garden hoses. We take a short detour down gas-powered lane to shine a light on this outstanding gas-powered weed trimmer from Remington. If you have large property, chances are you're going to find a lot of electric trimmers to be somewhat limiting. First and foremost, because either the cord won't go where you need to go or the battery will die before you finish the job. So you need an alternative. This is it. The 25cc gas engine and the 16-inch cutting head provides all the power you need to zip right along. It also lets you wade into the heavier brush that you couldn't touch with an electric trimmer. The string is a bit thicker too and is fed out via a reliable bump feed system. If you're lucky enough to have a large property, you need the right tools to maintain it. Remington RM2510 17-inch 25cc string trimmer is one of those. If you need a pair of good gardening gloves, check out our guide and find the perfect pair.